Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your NHSP bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser in the default search engine. Then search NHSP bank login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to bank.nhsp.uk/login. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your username on the top on the right side of the screen. Then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your NHSP bank account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.